Well, from an English fan's point of view, more of the same. Women's 4x100m final. And the reigning champions, England, will start in lane number 5. And they'll start one lane inside the Jamaican team that they beat on the Gold Coast by 6/100ths of a second 4 years ago. Keep an eye on that Games record, 41.83, set by Jamaica back in Glasgow in 2014. And that super world record by the Americans, way under that 41-second barrier. One of those tough nuts to crack in terms of world records. And Amusan is in. Toby Amusan, the world record holder in the 100-meter hurdles, a new Commonwealth champion, is starting off on the first leg for the Nigerian team. There's a Jamaican team. Kemba Nelson, experienced on the first leg. Jamaica won silver at the World Championships behind the USA. It was Nelson on the first leg. Natalia White will be on second. Ramona Birchall will be on third. And then a certain 5-time Olympic gold medalist and 2-time Commonwealth champion, Elaine Thompson-Herah, has been drafted in. And she has a chance to win 3 gold medals here at the Commonwealth Games. It has been done a couple of times before. Debbie Ferguson did it back in Manchester in 2002. And talking about experience, saw a quick shot there of Asher Phillip, who'll start off the England team. Emalia Lancico will go down the back straight. Justin Boyfriend, OJ Edeburan bring the England men's team home. Bianca Williams there will go round the top bend. And Daryl Nita has been brought in for Ashley Nelson on the last leg. That's a good team for England, who qualified second fastest for this final. So Tomi Amusan will have the responsibility. They were the fastest qualifiers, the Nigerians. There's Favour Ofili, herself having a good Commonwealth Games here. She'll go down the back. The crowd absolutely buzzing, Steph, from that win for England. And now we're going back again onto the track for the English team to try and do it again. But we've just seen some of the athletes in the teams here. It's a tough ask, especially when you're bringing in Thompson-Herah.
Well, it's interesting. I love it when you get to the final and they, as you say, they bring in their heavy hitters. And so no matter what we saw in the heats, we don't actually know what's going to happen in the final.
And as we've just seen, you've got to get the batter. Anang. India will start in lane number 7. Really are having a great Commonwealth Games. That triple jump goal by Paul just a few moments ago. Chand Das Nanda Yaraji. And then there'll be a roar for Jamaica in 6. Their nation holds the Games record. Silver in 2018 behind England. Kemba Nelson is ready. Lane 5, the team from England. Second fastest in qualifying, Asher Phillips in that World Championship squad just a few weeks ago, leading them off. Nigeria in lane number 4, bronze in 2018. Amusam Ofili, the first 2 legs for them. In lane number 3 will be Ghana, the 6th fastest to qualify for this final. Boake, Ali, Oka and Hoare running for them. And there's your lineup for Trinidad and Tobago in lane 2. Inside 43.5 seconds to qualify, St. Fort, i.e. Prito and Bertrand. So, a super men's 4x100m relay. And now our final action. Can England defend the title they won in 2018? Beating Jamaica by 6/100ths of a second on that occasion. I remember long jumper Lorraine Ugan bringing the baton home for the English side. Trinidad and Tobago in 2, Ghana in 3, Nigeria in 4, England in 5, Jamaica in 6, India in 7, Australia in 8, and Scotland in 9. Set. The women's sprint relay final. It's a clean start as well. Amusan getting out nicely in lane number 4, as expected. India going well in lane number 7, Australia in lane number 8 too. This is good running by Nigeria in lane number 4. All look pretty safe on the changeovers. Imani Lancico flying down the back straight, as is Favour Ofili of Nigeria. Second changeover, hands held high. Australia on the outside in lane 8 going well. Nigeria, though, flying round with Chukwuma on the third leg. Hands back for the Nigerians. A roar from her teammate. Nigeria going to take this one. England with Darren Neater in second.
The women's 4x100m relay final at the Commonwealth Games was one of the most exciting races of the entire competition. The defending champions, England, entered the race with confidence, having beaten Jamaica 4 years earlier by just 0.06 seconds. They were placed in lane 5, right next to their Jamaican rivals in lane 6. The Nigerian team, however, had been fastest in the qualifying heats and lined up in lane 4, determined to make a statement. Among the standout athletes was Nigeria's Toby Amusin, the 100-meter hurdles world record holder and new Commonwealth champion, who led off the race for the team. Jamaica's experienced Kemba started their relay, while the legendary Elaine Thompson-Herah, a 5-time Olympic gold medalist, was brought in to run the relay. A powerful move signaling Jamaica's serious intent to win. England's lineup featured Asha Phillip on the first leg and Daryl Maida on the final leg. The team was well prepared and determined to defend their title. But the Nigerians were ready. With Favour Afolayan and Grace Nwokocha on the second and third legs, Nigeria had a smooth and powerful batting exchange, something that has troubled other teams, especially Jamaica, in past events. When the race started, the exchanges were mostly clean across all teams, and it quickly became clear that Nigeria had an edge. Afolayan powered down the back straight with intensity, followed by Chukwuma, who ran a strong curve to set up the final handoff. With a baton in hand, Nwokocha sprinted to the finish line, securing Nigeria's victory in remarkable fashion. England followed in second place, while Jamaica took third. There was some disappointment for the Jamaican team, as their baton exchanges were not as smooth. This has been a recurring issue in recent years, especially considering how much of their focus is placed on individual events like the 100m and 200m. Unlike countries such as Nigeria and Great Britain, Jamaica often doesn't have a dedicated relay squad, and less time is spent practicing baton exchanges, which can cost precious seconds in the late competition. Despite the challenges, Jamaica's final runner showed great determination. Starting from 4th position, she managed to overtake one team to secure a bronze medal for her country. Fans were also relieved to see Elaine Thompson-Herah running strong, as her 2024 season was cut short due to injury. There is hope she will remain healthy in 2025 and return to her best form. This race was not just a victory for Nigeria, but a powerful reminder of how vital teamwork, clean baton changes, and race strategy are in relays. While individual speed matters, the smooth transition of the baton can make or break a team's chances. In this case, Nigeria's precision and unity gave them a well-deserved win and a historic moment to celebrate at the Commonwealth Games.